Hello my dear student. Algebra lecture number 14, chapter number 2, quadratic equation. Now, in this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 2.5, page number 49. Question number 5. Now, when this type of questions are there, you have to read your question properly. Okay. Now, the question is this. Sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is double their product. Find k if equation is x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Now in this question, this is a condition given. What is the condition? The roots of the quadratic equation, sum of the root of quadratic equation is double their product. Okay. Now then you try to understand solution. So solution, given equation x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation given. Compare this quadratic equation with standard form of quadratic equation, and therefore comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4k and c is equal to k plus 3. Now then assume let alpha and beta be the roots of the quadratic equation. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. And therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus into bracket minus 4k upon 1, and alpha into beta is equal to k plus 1 up k plus 3 upon 1. Then according to given condition, what is the condition given? Sum of the roots is double the product. So sum of the roots means alpha plus beta is equal to double means 2 into one product alpha into beta. Okay. Then simply you substitute values, and therefore minus 4k upon 1 is equal to 2 into bracket k plus 3, and then simplify, and therefore 4k is equal to 2k plus 6. This 2k you transfer on this side, 4k minus 2k is equal to 6, and therefore 2k is equal to 6, and hence k is equal to 3. Okay. Then question number 6. Question number 6. Alpha beta are the roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 given. Then find the value of x square, alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Now these type of examples are very important because you have to use what? Your algebraic formula. Okay. Now solution. Given equation y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation given. This equation you compare with standard form of quadratic equation, and therefore comparing with a y square plus by plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 7. And therefore alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a is equal to minus into bracket minus 2 upon a is equal to 2, and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a is equal to minus 7 upon 1 is equal to minus 7. Now then you find the values of alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, now here I use the formula from algebra. Question number 1. Now alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha into beta. Then substitute your values and therefore alpha square plus beta square is equal to 2 square minus 2 into bracket minus 7. So 2 square is equal to 4, minus minus become plus 14 is equal to 18, and hence alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18. Then find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta in first bracket and in second bracket alpha square minus alpha into beta plus beta square. This is a formula, and then you substitute your values. Now therefore, now here you arrange the term alpha plus beta, and in second bracket alpha square, this term you bring over here, plus beta square minus alpha into beta, and then you substitute values, and therefore alpha plus beta is equal to 2 into bracket alpha square plus beta square is equal to 18 minus 7, and then simplify 2 into bracket 18 plus 7 is equal to 2 into 25 and is equal to 50. Hence alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 50. Okay. Then one more example. Question number 7. The roots of each of the following quadratic equation are real and equal. Find the k. Now question number 1. 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. So write your solution. This is a quadratic equation given. Compare with standard form of quadratic equation. Comparing given equation with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 3, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 12. Since roots are real and equal, it is given roots are real and equal, and therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, and then you substitute values, and therefore k into bracket square minus 4 into 3 into 12 is equal to 0, and therefore k square is equal to, all this together is 144, and this you transfer on this side, so it is positive, and therefore k square is equal to 144, and therefore k is equal to plus or minus 12. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you.